Hi guys, today I will be reviewing on Alpecin Grey Attack. Is it legit or actually scam? Let's uncover the mystery. Make sure to watch it in full to avoid missing any critical insights. Alpecin Grey Attack is designed to gradually darken gray hair using a compound called 5,6-DHI, which reacts with oxygen to form natural-looking color pigments. It's also infused with a caffeine complex which is said to strengthen hair from the roots. Now some users have reported positive results. After a few weeks of regular use, they've noticed their grays becoming less prominent, blending better with their natural hair color. It's not an instant transformation, but a gradual change that's meant to look more natural. However, others haven't been so impressed. Some users saw little to no change, even after consistent use. The results seem to vary quite a bit, especially based on your hair type, how much gray you have, and how often you use the product. It's also worth noting that the shampoo appears to work best on dark blonde to black hair. People with lighter or completely gray hair might not see the same results. So is it legit? If you're looking for a subtle low-maintenance way to fight early grays, and you have realistic expectations, Alpecin Grey Attack might be worth trying. But if you're expecting quick or dramatic results, it could leave you disappointed.